So I put together what is known as a grow tent, and I slapped a EnviroGrow, just cheap four bulb. They're 2-foot bulbs. Grow light with some ratchet straps so I can adjust it up and down as needed. As a sole redoer for sneakers. Yeah, I'm using a watering tray. As you can see, they're still a little yellow, but this is the third treatment. And you can see they're clearing up. What I used was a 40 hair. I tried 50 for one of the treatments, and it was good, but it kind of rough on the soles. So I'd recommend 40 to be the max. You can get 50 in the hood places like the inner city oriental hair supply places usually, but don't. Just stick with the 40. As you will see, there you can see that's clearing up right there. You see it too good in the camera, but so these have been under here for 12 hours already. These are some Foamposite Air Force Ones, limited edition. I gotta rewash the inside of them. Other than that, these are in good shape. I got them for, you're gonna laugh when I tell you this, $5 at a garage sale. He thought they were fake Nikes because they were Foamposites. But yeah, to make yourself a room to redo your gum bottoms or your Jordans or any shoes you want to redo the sides on, get yourself a tent. I put a little extractor thing here. Ran into the ductwork to extract through the house's chimney. The reason I did that is in case it starts getting warm in there, or summer months when it gets hot, it can just suck out. And this tent, well, it's small. I basically bought a grow kit from somebody on Craigslist. Got a whole bunch of stuff actually. Got some huge light over there too from him. Paid $200 for all this. But the tent's only a 2-foot wide. Can't see it too good here in the dark. 2-foot wide by 4-foot long. And it works out good. And I took it, I put some of this chrome like bubbly stuff you get at like grocery stores. He gave me a roll of it. And I wrapped it around a piece of wood. And I put it on top of 2 buckets. I can do 2 pair of shoes on here. But if I want, I can run it all the way across. And I could probably do a bunch of shoes in here. If you need more lights, just get a wider light. I got a 4-foot fluorescent grow light. But I don't want to use so much electricity. The bulbs I'm using, you see right there. Turning my thing on so I make sure they're high output 24 watt 6400 Ks. But yeah, I think I could do one more treatment on these and they'll be clear enough to get rid of these sneakers for a pretty good flip. Alright, thanks for watching. Hopefully this helps you guys that are trying to set up a bubblegum sole or whatever you want to call it shoe revival tent.